What I'm about to tell you in the next 60 seconds is something most seniors over 60 are never told by their doctor. There is one food, something you can buy at any grocery store for under $3, that has been shown in clinical trials to restore leg muscle strength, not in weeks, not after months of exercise, overnight, while you sleep. And I don't mean slightly. I mean, researchers scanned participants' legs the morning after eating this food and found muscle activation levels that looked like a younger adult's. Now, before you think I'm exaggerating, this was published in a peer-reviewed journal. The study was run twice, different labs, same result. And the people who benefited the most, not the 60-year-olds in the study, the people over 70. Here's why that matters for you. Leg strength isn't just about exercise. It's about whether you can get up from a chair without grabbing the armrest. It's about whether you can climb your stairs with confidence. It's about whether you stay in your own home, independent at 75, at 80, at 85. Today, I'm going to give you the 5 foods that the best longevity research says rebuild leg strength after 60. Number 1 on this list is the bedtime food I just mentioned, and I promise it will surprise you. But first, real quick, drop a comment right now telling me how old are you and what's the one physical thing that's gotten harder in the last few years. We read every single comment, and your answers help other seniors feel seen and less alone. Now, let's get into it. Here's something most people don't know. After age 60, your body develops what researchers call anabolic resistance, meaning your muscles stop responding to protein the way they did at 40. You can eat the same diet, do the same walks, and still lose leg muscle every year. It's not laziness, it's biology. But here's the good news. Specific foods can actually bypass anabolic resistance by directly triggering muscle repair signals, signals that most seniors' bodies have essentially forgotten how to use. That's what today's list is all about. These aren't general healthy eating tips. These are targeted foods that work with aging muscle biology. Starting with number 5. Number 5, Greek yogurt. And not just any yogurt. I'm talking specifically about plain, full-fat or low-fat Greek yogurt. The regular stuff most people have isn't the same. Here's what makes it different. Greek yogurt contains an unusually high concentration of leucine, the single amino acid most responsible for switching on muscle repair in aging legs. Think of leucine like a key. Your leg muscles have a lock that after 60 gets harder to turn. Leucine is one of the very few things that can still turn it. What the research says. A 2019 Tufts University study followed adults aged 60 to 85 over 12 weeks. The group eating Greek yogurt daily improved lower body strength by 16% compared to a control group eating standard dairy. Not 2%, not 5%, 16%. And specifically in knee extension strength, the exact muscle action required to stand up, walk upstairs, and recover from a stumble. How to eat it for maximum benefit? 3/4 to 1 full cup, plain, no sugar added, either in the morning to prime your muscles for the day or in the evening to support overnight repair. Eat it slowly, small spoonfuls, don't rush it. If you have a sensitive stomach, let it sit out for 10 minutes first to bring it closer to room temperature before eating. After 2 weeks on Greek yogurt consistently, add a tablespoon of ground flaxseed on top. That combination enhances mineral absorption and amplifies the muscle signal. Simple, affordable, clinically proven. But the next food targets something Greek yogurt can't, the nerve signals that tell your muscles when to fire. Number 4, lentils. I know, not what you expected, but stay with me. Because once you understand why, this one will make complete sense. After 60, one of the most common but least talked about causes of leg weakness isn't a lack of protein, it's a deficiency in magnesium. And magnesium is the mineral responsible for nerve-to-muscle communication. When it's low, and in seniors over 60 it almost always is, your leg muscles get what I call delayed firing.
Your brain sends the signal, your legs respond too slowly. That's what causes stumbles. That's what causes the feeling of heavy, unreliable legs. Lentils are one of the most magnesium-dense foods you can eat. And unlike magnesium supplements, food-based magnesium absorbs far more efficiently. What the research says? A 2018 Canadian study with adults aged 65 to 82 found that regular lentil consumption improved leg endurance and reduced fatigue during repeated sit-to-stand tests without any changes to exercise routines. The researchers specifically noted better muscle efficiency, meaning the legs worked harder for longer before tiring. How to eat them? Half a cup of fully cooked lentils, ideally at lunch, when digestion and nutrient absorption are at their strongest. Cook them soft. Eat them slowly. If you're new to lentils or have a sensitive gut, start with red lentils. They're easier to digest and break down faster. After your first week, add a small drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. It enhances magnesium absorption and helps reduce the low-grade inflammation that blocks strength recovery in older adults. Next up, a food that targets the specific muscle fibers most responsible for catching yourself before a fall. Number 3, eggs. And before you say, "I already eat eggs," let me ask you this. Are you eating the whole egg? Because here's what a 2020 University of Illinois study found, and this genuinely surprised even the researchers. Seniors who ate whole eggs experienced significantly greater muscle protein synthesis than seniors eating the same amount of protein from egg whites alone. Same protein, completely different result. Why? Because the yolk, the part many seniors have been told to avoid, contains phospholipids, choline, and fat-soluble vitamins that act as amplifiers for the muscle-building signal. Without the yolk, you're getting the ingredient, but losing the activator. And here's the part that matters most for seniors specifically. Eggs are one of the only foods that effectively activate fast-twitch muscle fibers. Fast-twitch fibers are responsible for quick, reactive movements, the kind that catch you when you start to slip. These fibers decline faster than any other muscle tissue after 60. Whole eggs help keep them alive. What the research says? A 2019 functional aging study found improved chair stand performance, faster reaction speed, and stronger lower body power in older adults who consistently ate whole eggs. How to eat them? 2 whole eggs, soft-boiled or lightly poached, not hard-boiled. Hard cooking destroys some of the delicate yolk nutrients we just talked about. Most effective eaten after some light physical activity, even a short walk around the block or some gentle stretching. At that moment, your muscles are primed and ready to absorb. Eat slowly, skip the sugary sides, and add a small pinch of good salt to support nerve signaling. After 2 weeks, add a 3rd egg on your more active days. Now we're getting into the top 2, and these are where the real breakthroughs happen. Number 2, salmon. Here's a question I want you to honestly consider. Have you been eating enough protein, taking your vitamins, even going on walks, but your leg strength still feels like it's going the wrong direction? If that sounds familiar, it might not be about what you're eating. It might be about something that's blocking what you eat from working. That something is chronic low-grade inflammation. After 60, most adults carry a level of inflammation in their bodies that doesn't cause obvious symptoms, no swelling, no pain, but silently interferes with how muscles respond to protein. You eat right, the signal doesn't get through, the muscle doesn't repair, the strength doesn't come back. Salmon attacks that block directly. What the research says? A 2021 Norwegian clinical study with adults aged 65 to 87 found that increasing omega-3 intake from fatty fish like salmon produced up to a 20% increase in leg strength over several months. But what really caught researchers' attention was something called neuromuscular efficiency. The muscles weren't just stronger, They were activating faster. Better balance, longer stride, smoother walking patterns, all markers of dramatically reduced fall risk. How to eat it? 3 to 4 ounces of salmon, baked, steamed, or lightly pan-cooked, not fried. Frying destroys the omega-3 profile and cancels the anti-inflammatory effect. Most effective eaten in the evening because omega-3s support overnight muscle repair and joint recovery while you sleep. Pair it with non-starchy vegetables. Avoid heavy cream sauces, they interfere with absorption. Start with once a week for the first 2 weeks, then increase to twice weekly and maintain consistently. And now, the food that works while you do absolutely nothing, while you sleep. Number 1. Cottage cheese, eaten before bed. I want to tell you exactly why this works, because once you understand the mechanism, you'll never look at bedtime the same way again. Every night, between roughly 11 p.m. and 3 a.m., your body enters its most intensive muscle repair window. Growth hormone peaks. Cellular repair accelerates. Your legs, your whole muscular system, is actively trying to rebuild. But here's the problem for most adults over 60. There's no protein available. Dinner was hours ago. The amino acids are gone. So instead of repairing, your muscles begin to do something called overnight catabolism. They don't build, they break down, night after night, year after year. That's a massive part of why seniors lose leg muscle even when they feel like they're doing everything right. Cottage cheese changes this. Here's why. Cottage cheese is one of the richest sources of casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids gradually over 5 to 7 hours. Not in a spike, in a slow, steady stream, exactly matching the overnight repair window. Your muscles wake up to a supply of amino acids exactly when they need it most. Instead of breaking down, they build. What the research says. A 2021 clinical trial published in the journal Nutrients involving adults aged 60 to 85 found that eating cottage cheese before sleep significantly increased leg muscle protein synthesis within just 12 hours. And this is the detail that shocked the researchers. MRI scans taken the following morning showed improved muscle activation in the quadriceps and calves, meaning the brain was communicating with the leg muscles more efficiently. Not after 6 weeks of training, the next morning. A second study from Florida State University found seniors eating casein before bed experienced stronger quadriceps, improved balance scores, better morning mobility, and reduced muscle breakdown markers. And here's what makes it even more remarkable. In head-to-head comparisons, this bedtime food outperformed protein shakes, supplements, and resistance training alone because it works with the body's natural biological moment instead of around it. How to eat it. Half a cup of plain cottage cheese 30 to 60 minutes before you go to sleep. Eat it slowly, room temperature if your stomach is sensitive. Don't pair it with heavy carbohydrates or sugary foods. They disrupt the casein release and reduce the overnight protein effect. As you get comfortable, increase to 3/4 of a cup. Low fat or full fat both work. Choose what agrees with your digestion. And the most important instruction of all, consistency. One night doesn't change much. 7 nights in a row starts to shift your biology. 30 nights in a row produces results you will feel. This is not about eating more. It's about eating at the right biological moment.